Now for this one, what I have, mod of 1 plus 3 upon x is greater than 2. So when mod x is greater than a, then either x is less than minus a or x is greater than a. So if I'll solve this one, I'll get 3 upon x plus 3 is less than 0. So if I take 3 common, I can write x plus 1 upon x should be less than 0. So this is minus 1 and 0. So this is plus, minus and plus. So it should lie between minus 1 and 0. And for this one, if I'll take it here, I'll get 3 upon x minus 1 should be greater than 0. So 3 minus x upon x is greater than 0. 0 and 3, rightmost is minus, minus, plus and minus. So here I'll get x should lie between 0 and 3. So because it is an OR sign, so answer to this question is x belongs to from minus 1 to 0 union 0 to 3, which will give me the value of a is minus 1 and the value of b is 3.